Hello and welcome back to another tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to create realistic looking roof materials such as this and how to use them in your renders. If this is your first time joining our channel, welcome. My name is Grant, and in this channel, we dish out interesting Aki related content. And mind you, this roof I'm about to show you how to do is very easy to do. You are even going to be surprised on how easy this is. And we're going to be using three softwares for this. We're going to be using Revit, we're going to be using 3ds Max, and we're going to be using D5 Render. So before we jump into the video, please, I would really appreciate if you subscribe to our channel, hit the like button, share this video, and don't forget to turn on the bell icon so you get notified when next we publish a new video. Without wasting much of your time, let's jump right into the video. Okay, so as you can see, my Revit interface that is open. Since we're about to create a realistic roof materials, all we need to do is just to create a roof first of all. So we need to come down to architecture. You see roof, we click on the roof. I'm just going to create one roof here on the roof level. Let's say I have this. We're just going to draw the footprints. Let's say I have this, okay. Let's just say something as easy as this. Okay, all right, now we are done creating our roof footprints. We just need to click on finish. Then let's go to our 3D to see it. Okay, let's delete this one. Okay, so this is the roof we just created. Okay, this is the roof we just created. So the next thing we need to do is to export this roof as an FBX file so we can use it in 3ds Max. So we're going to be exporting this roof as an FBX file. So we click on file, we click on export, we click on FBX, and let's place this on the desktop. Let's call it ArchiQuest roof. Okay, save. Yes, I already have an ArchiQuest roof, so I'm just going to rename this. Okay, and yes, we have done that. So we just need to, if you decide on saving this roof Revit file as a Revit file, no problem, but we're not going to be saving it in this tutorial video. So let's go back down here, and we're going to be opening 3ds Max. Whatever version of 3ds Max you have would do perfectly. So we're going to be opening Max 19, and let's just wait for it to load. Okay, now that our 3ds Max is open, so let's just cancel this. All right, now that our 3ds Max is open, all we need to do is to import that roof that we exported as an FBX file into this 3ds Max. But before we do that, let's make sure all our unit setup are correct. So we come under customize and let's click on unit setup. Now let's make sure this is in millimeters, and let's click on system unit setup. Make sure this is also in millimeters. If you use feet and inches to work, you can convert them to your preferred choice of units. Okay, we click on OK. Then let's import the roof we exported. So we click on file, we click on import, click on import. Let's go to the desktop, and you see the roof here. We click on OK, OK, and OK. All right, so this is the roof. Now if you're exporting from Revit, it automatically comes with this camera view. We don't want this camera, so we're just going to delete this. So let's come to the top view. Let's see what we have. This is exactly the roof we exported. So now the next thing to do is to give it that realistic looking roof material. Now how do we do that? I already have a couple on my system, so I'm going to be leaving the link to these roofing materials in the description of this video. So if you want to try them out, you can just click them and you can follow the process and see the results you get. So we click on file, we click on imports, we click on merge this time around. Okay, then we go to where you have the material saved. I have mine in my downloads, so I have simple roof shingles, I have metal roofing sheets, and simple roof tiles, and I'm going to be leaving the link to the 3 of them in the description, so you can just test the 3 of them out and see which one you like. So click on this, we click on open, and we select both of them, both the hinge rib and the plane. We click on OK, and we click on move to move it out of the way so we can see it properly. Okay, so this is what we have. So now we click on this first of all. Okay, then we come under modify. Let's close this. Now under smart object properties, we click on build new from edge, and since this is the ridge that we just picked, now we place it on all the ridges of this roof. So we click one here, click one here, click one here. Now you see how easy this is to do. You click this one here, click this one here, put this here, put this here. Once you are just done clicking all these things, you are practically done with the realistic roof material. So we do this, we do this, we do this. Okay, so I think that should be all for the ridges. Okay, then we right click and we click on the plane. We do the same thing and we just place this here, place this here, place this here, place this here, 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 and here. Okay, and once you are done, this is it. Very simple and easy. So as you are done, you delete this. You don't really need this anymore. And let's go to the 3D. Let's see what we have. So you can see how good looking this is already. You can see the effect. So all we need to do now is to export. Now, if you already have D5 installed on your system and you have this D5 icon on your 3ds Max, you can just click on D5 and you click on export D5 render and you click on export. Now let's export it to our desktop. Let's say roof. Okay, save. All right, then we cancel. Okay, let's not close this yet. Okay, so we need to open our D5. That's the next thing we need to do. So we open D5 and let's create a new file. So we just have to wait for it to open. It takes a little bit of time. All right, so this is our D5 work environment. All we need to do now is to import that roof that we exported as a D5 file. So if you have a building here that you exported the roof and went through this whole process and you just need to replace the roof back, you just click on this import. Now let's come to the desktop and you see this roof that we just exported. You click on open. It's going to load at this bottom part right here. Then you click on this roof to import it. So once you place the roof, you can see how good looking this roof is. You can see how realistic this roof is. You can see how realistic this is. Now you can just decide to place this perfectly on where that's your roof is supposed to be. Just place it perfectly on that place and you can lock it in view. Okay, so let's say you have placed this and you want to also change the material. You can also change the materials as well. So you just click on I, you select this material. Let's come to this base color and let's just change it to black. Okay, now you can see how this is so nice. This is very, very amazing. And you can also try this with the other two materials, roof material, like the metal roofing sheets and the shingles. You can try them out as well and see which one you like among the three of them. So this is how to create realistic roofing materials using 3 different softwares. So if you find this video interesting or helpful, do well to hit the like button, subscribe to our channel. Don't forget to share this video and turn on the bell icon so you get notified when next we publish a new video. See you guys on the next video. Bye.